Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Simply April, and if you're new to my video, welcome. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you will be notified if I made a new video. So today's video, as you can see, we have some boxes over here from Sephora. There you go. Yep, I'm so excited to open it. Hinintay ko siya na dumating lahat. So, para mabuksan ko siya sabay-sabay at ma-share sa inyo kung ano ba yung mga kinuha ko sa Sephora. You know guys, I love Sephora product. So, are you guys excited? Let's get into it. We have, let me check what we have on the first box. I can't find my big scissor. So first box. So we have some a receipt over here, and we got some pre. This is the pre stuff. Let me show you what we got. So yeah, made sample. We have a cleanser. There you go. It's Purity Made Simple Philosophy. And a mask. There you go. That's our pre-sample. This Amica Soft Food Mask. So that's the first box. The pre one. And we have, I got this. This is so cute. It's so cute. It's so small. It's a Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. Oh my gosh, how do you open this? Wait, I don't want to break it. Put it in one box. Oh my gosh, look at that guys. It's so small. Wait, there you go. This is so small. It's the shade is matte. Okay. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's Griselda. Ayaw mag-focus guys. It's Griselda. Okay, ayaw mag-focus. So, ayan siya guys, yung kulay niya. I think it's $10 for this one. It's so small. But you know, I love you know me, I love small item. Like mini size. Okay. Oh, I like this one. Let's see. What's the shade? Spunk. It's spunk. Ayaw mo focus. Okay, we got that. That's the first box. That's cute. And the second box that we have is this one. Let me see. By the way, this is not sponsored by Sephora product, you know. The big one. Yep, we have here the receipt. So we have 4 items over here. Benefit Cosmetic Hula Matte Bronzer, mini size. So you know me, I love mini size. So this is the mini size of Hula or Hula. So let me show you what inside. Oh my gosh. It's really small. So they come with brush. And this one inside right there. This is mini size. And it's come with mirror. I like it. There's a mirror, even though so small. Yep. Like that. Oh, it's magnetic too. Okay, okay. Looking good. Alright, and this is the pre one. Okay, Natasha Denona Sunrise Palette. Okay, so that's the pre one. Sabi na nga ba, it's come with it. Hindi siya wool na maliit na palette. I was thinking it's a small palette. But yeah, it's come with that one. It's free. And right here we have Urban Decay. There you go. It's a brow volumizer. Primer plus color. So this is the volumizer for your brow. Okay, let me show you. Okay, looking good. I think this one is cost like, I forgot the price. I think it's like $14 for this one. Yeah, let me open it for you guys. So this is the color, this is the primer and color. Okay, so tiny. And we have here the primer on the other side. There you go. Okay, it's nice. Urban Decay. Okay, looking good. And so we have here the brush, Sephora brush. Ayan. So, there you go. Alright. I bought this because I want to change my brush for my eyebrow. So this is the one I'm gonna use for now. Looking good. Like it. So thin. Look at that. Guys, Sephora 207. Ayan. It's nice. Come with the pouch. Open the pouch. Okay. So that's your bags. Okay. This one is for my highlight and moisturizing cream. Yeah, I used to use Pants product. It's a Pants cream. It's been like, I've been using it for like since I was high school. So I kinda like try this moisturizing cream. Here you go. So because I saw someone one of the vlogger use this, and it's really nice. And I have the mask for this one. Mask. So ayan, ganyan siya sa loob. It's come with it. It's glass. So yeah, the mask is really good. So I think the cream should be good too. Ayan siya guys. Love it. Oh my gosh. So this is gonna be my cream starting now. Ayan siya. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's Laneige or Laneige. Laneige. I don't know. Just comment below how do you pronounce this one. So yeah, and I bought this. Wait, the Sephora Let It Glow highlighter stick. There you go. That's the highlighter stick. So it's come with two. Oh, this one, I think this one costs like 25, 23. Something like that, 25, 23. So it's come with this highlighter. Oh, wow. Wet finish. Oh, I don't know if you can see it, but there you go. Glow stick. Nice, nice. It's a sunrise shimmer. Yep. Highlighter, girl. Go, girl. Some highlight. Let me see that. I like the same though, but I don't see any difference. But let me see if you can see it. That's the white on the top, and this is nice though. This one costs like, I think, how much of it? $8 for two. I don't know. Yeah, there you go. You can see, right? Right there. Looking nice. Nice glow stick. So for this two, I think it's 8 or either 8 or 9. Moonlight shimmer. There you go. Mini sizes, guys. You know me. Mini sizes, and we have here moisturizer. This is so cute. It's this is the pre-stop, guys. Moisturizer, and we have here, what is this? Sea Passion. Yeah, Giorgio Armani. There you go. Oh my gosh, it so smells good. Okay, and they gave us this one, Beauty Insider. Spring savings event is almost here. Okay, Insider, so I will get 10% off for this one if I made another purchase. Yep, so that's the third boxes. We have third boxes, guys. This is the one that, okay, we have here another how do you call this? Beauty Insider. Okay, it's 10% off. It's like a coupon. Yeah, 10 in. Okay, so we have two, and here our receipt. Okay, the receipt is right there. So that's the inside. Okay. So because it's my birthday is April 30th, so I have here the free gift. This is my birthday gift from Sephora. Milk makeup. Let me open it. It's all like mini sizes. Mascara, milk. Okay, makeup. We have that one on this bags. And I have this. It is lip and cheek. It works from, you can use it for your lips and cheek. This is so nice. See, it comes with, and you gotta do like that. I'm cute. There you go, guys. That's okay, and it's come inside like me primer, milk hydro primer. So that's our birthday gift from Sephora. And I had this. This is the free one. It's Marc Jacob eyeliner. Obviously, it's a mini size, trial size. There you go. Okay. That one, Marc Jacob. I don't know. You can see it. Let me. Okay. Okay, that's the green one. And we have here the Sephora sponge. There you go. Not bad. Because I have here, I bought it from Maybelline. This is the mini size and the big size. Yeah, I think I bought this, like, this one is cost like $6, $7, and this one from Maybelline, it's $4. I don't know what's the difference. Yeah, maybe the size, but I'm not sure. Maybe this is better, or, and the price is $6 to $7. That one is $4 something. And this one is my favorite, guys. I like the Bobbi Brown. I like the Bobbi Brown primer. It calls Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enrich Face Base. So I got the mini size. This is what I like this. See, for normal to oily skin types. Yep, I'm oily. My skin type is oily, guys. Sometimes my face is dry, and sometimes it's all oily. So that's the size. This one before, I think this one is the trial size. So this is the mini size for the Bobbi Brown. Yeah, this is really good, guys. It's really good. I recommend this as your primer. Yep, that's inside. I recommend this. That's a good product. When I say it's good. Believe me. And we have here our masks, because my mask is out of, so I have here. There you go. That's our mask. It's a glass too. Sealed. Make sure it's sealed. Yep. Thank you. I need it because my pants is almost gone, so I need this. I'm sorry if my voice is so low, but that's my voice. Duh. Just kidding. All right, and this one. Oh wait, no. This one is not $25. This is like $39. Yeah, this one is $39 because this is the cream. This is the $25. 25, 23. The mask, and this one is the cream. I think it's $39 from Sephora. So I have the mask and the cream now. So this one, guys, I recommend this. I didn't try the cream yet, but the mask I tried it. It's really good, so I recommend this. I will let you know if this cream it's good. Okay, I'll let you know, guys. So, and we have here the Pound Sealer Tarte. See, everything is mini size, small size. Because you know me, I love mini size. From my first unboxing Sephora, it's all like mini size. See, guys, this is the mini size. Pound Sealer. So the shade that I get is medium neutral, 34N medium neutral. So that's the mini size. I didn't know that this is so small, that really small. I thought it was like a little bit, you know, from the full size. But yeah, that's the size. That's the size we got. This is like $15. Yep. That's the size. It's come with medium neutral. It's right there. Duh. Wait, let me. Okay, shake before use. Apply 15 minutes before sun exposure. Okay, you will apply this before you expose in sun. 15 minutes. Apply it before exposure to the sun. Okay. Okay, it's contain SPF value. Okay. Okay, SPF 20 sunscreen. Ayan, guys. Kaya kinuha ko to kasi it's have SPF 20 sunscreen. Kailangan, guys, kapag nag-ano tayo, yung ginagamit natin na foundation or cream or whatever that we put in our face, at least it have some serum or SPF sunscreen to, you know, protect from sunlight. So ayan na. And we have here the Kat Von D. That's the lipstick. I like the packaging, it's very nice. Okay. Let's see. Oh, wow. Ayan siya, guys. So, Love Stud Kiss Cream. So, the shade that we have here is Love. What's the shade? It's Stud Kiss Cream Lipstick. Okay, so let me open this. And there you go. Look at that. There you go. It's like that, guys. See that? I like the color. Actually, I never wear purple color, violet color. I never wear this kind of color from my lips to my lips. So let me see if it will fit on me. I hope yes. I hope it will. It's nice though. I love it. And the next one that we have here is the mascara. There you go. You know me. This is my favorite. Ito yung pinakagusto kong mascara. I don't use any mascara. I think, yeah, the Tarte too, but not really. toothpaste. Yan yung paborito kong gamitin. So, don't mind So, we have the Damn Girl and Toothpaste Mascara Better Than Sex. There you go. This set is 25. Here you go. You know, yeah, we have here the full size. And this is the mini size. This is the other one. Yeah, Damn Girl. And we have here the Sephora liner waterproof. That one right there. Let me open it. Let me show you what inside, what color it is. It's hard to open. There you go. Yep. So it's like that. Ayan. Okay. Oh, that's so white. Yan siya, guys. White na white. So, lalagay natin yan dito pag gagawin natin eyeliner. Ayan. It's a waterproof gel. Crayon gel. Oh, crayon gel siya. Okay. That's nice. And, okay, wala na ba? We have here the Carly Natasha. There you go. There you go. The whole palette, guys. Ayan. Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay. Okay. Let me open this. Okay. Oh my gosh. I like the packaging. Oh, shoot. Alam niyo maganda sa sa Anastasia, meron siya mga mirror. Ayan yung shades niya. Shade niya, guys. Tanggalin natin. Ayan, diba? Pigment na pigment. Tapos meron siyang kasamang brush. Ayan yung brush niya. Ang cute, diba? Oh. Ayan siya. I think that's it. Not much, but yeah. Maliliit kasi siya eh. Lalo na to, ang liit. Tapos may mirror pa. Yeah. That's all that we have from Sephora. Hope you enjoy my unboxing Sephora product, makeup, skincare, and yep. So guys, if you enjoyed, just don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and be safe and stay at home. And yep, I hope nalibang ko kayo sa video na to. And kayo magsawang mag-suporta sa akin. And shout out for my friend. Her name is Blush Rivera. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. Subscribe na rin kayo sa kanya. Bye-bye. See you on my next one. This is the end of my video, guys.